Welcome to the True Taste Journal channel. Listen to that sizzle. Now look at that golden crust. I bet you never thought a simple cabbage could look this good, right? We're making something so crispy and delicious today, even the grandkids will be asking for seconds, and they won't even know they're eating their greens. We're starting with half a medium cabbage. Grab your sharpest knife or a cleaver if you're feeling fancy, and let's get to work. The best part? Everything happens in one big bowl. No mountain of dishes to wash after lunch. That's my kind of recipe. Next up, 2 medium carrots. Give them a coarse grate and toss them in. Now, for a pop of color, I'm using a red bell pepper. It looks beautiful on screen, and it adds that perfect touch of sweetness. Time for the scallions. About 100 grams of fresh green goodness. If you don't have scallions, use whatever you've got in the fridge. This is your kitchen, you make the rules. Now let's add some heart to this dish. I've got 200 grams of ham. I'm using a barbecue flavor for that nice smoky kick. Dice it up and throw it in. Then, a little fresh dill. It's like a breath of fresh air in every bite. Here's the star of the show. 1 medium potato grated right in. And garlic, 3 cloves for love. If you're not a fan, skip it. But in my house, garlic is non-negotiable. Don't be afraid to experiment. That's how the best recipes were born. Let's spice it up. A couple teaspoons of salt, some black pepper, turmeric, and paprika. I'm adding a little pool biber for warmth. Now, 3 tablespoons of flour to keep it all together. That's the secret to a perfect flip. Add 4 to 5 eggs, give it a good mix, and we're ready for the pan. A little butter in the hot skillet. Smells like heaven, doesn't it? You can pour it all in at once, but for the kids, I use these heart-shaped molds. Everything tastes better when it's shaped like a heart. Once they're golden on one side, give them a flip. Pro tip, grease your molds so they slide right out. Look at that color, absolutely perfect. There you have it, crispy, healthy, and packed with flavor. You won't believe how much the kids will love their veggies now. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next one.